Alright guys, now we're going to be installing new springs on this actuator right here. First we want to undo this, flip it over so we can get to this bottom one. Tightening the wrong way, trying to loosen it. Now we got those hand loose. We come over here, take this little pin out, put it over there. Alright, maybe we'll have to get this undone first. There's one, two, pull the little baby up. Should pop right off. Alright. Now in this little thing, you're going to take all of these little Allen keys out. And we're going to be installing one of these. So, it's 3mm. Fits right in there, perfect. Now maybe I won't have to use these new nose pliers. Maybe just hold that little nut right there. Now we want to loosen these at even and patterns if you can, so we won't damage any threads. Crisscross pattern, don't matter. Or we can just look to see which one has the most threads. Poking out, loosen it a little bit. Come over here, this was the other one. I probably won't go keep pressure on this baby, because it does have a spring in it. Okay, we got one. To the other side over here. Oh dang. Knocking crap off the table. Now that we got that baby out, let's see how this little gadget works. Maybe there's like some kind of little C-clip under this. Let's see what spring we need to put in. Alright guys, we're going to be installing this this black one right here. That's the blue. Right now it has yellow, so that one would be 14 psi. This black one is 18 to 23 psi. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, on this thing, so we're going to need to take this off to get to this. Okay, shouldn't be too relatively hard. Let's see if I can do this without having to go get some more tools. Actually, this thing looks like it unscrews. That's pretty neat. Take that yellow out. Let's get this red, baby. This black. Make it where this thing don't mesh up on us. So that should be alright. We'll install it back to this little thing. Perfecto. Oh yeah, that's gonna be difficult. A little bit stiffer spring. Let's get these babies lined up. That's black spring installed. Got yellow and blue. We ain't gonna need them because you want more power, baby.